Aphorism 189. And yet, very little reflection will suffice to convince us that no external malady, not occasioned by some important injury from without, can arise, persist, or even grow worse without some internal cause, without the cooperation of the whole organism, which must consequently be in a diseased state. It could not make its appearance at all without the consent of the whole of the rest of the health, and without the participation of the rest of the living whole of the vital force that pervades all the other sensitive and irritable parts of the organism. Indeed, it is impossible to conceive its production without the instrumentality of the whole deranged life. So intimately are all parts of the organism connected together to form an invisible whole in sensation and functions. No eruption on the lips, no whitlow can occur without previous and simultaneous internal ill health. Explanation. In this aphorism, Dr. Henneman has given idea about relation between vital force and body external diseases, and yet very little indication or symptoms are enough to prove that no external malady not caused by external injury can arise, persist, or even grow worse without some internal cause, without organism which must be in a diseased state consequently. Local maladies could not appear at all without the consequent of the whole of the rest of the healthy state of an individual. It could not appear without the participation of the rest of the whole organism and without the participation of the vital force that present or animates all other sensitive and irritable part of the organism. So it is sure that it is impossible to develop local melodies without the instrumentality involvement of the whole life which is deranged inside. The whole of organism life is nothing but all parts of organism that are connected together intimately to form an indivisible whole in sensation and functions. No eruption on lips and no whitlow can occur without previous and simultaneous internal ill health. No local maladies can arise, persist, or grow worse without any internal cause.